Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar Sir Classes. Today we'll be seeing part 2 of the problems on resonance. This is the first problem. In the circuit shown in figure, the current measured by ammeter is, okay, what is the current measured by this ammeter? Okay, first let us check whether the circuit is in resonance or not. What is the value of the VL? That is, VL is how much they are given. Voltage across the inductor, this is L, this is C. It is given 60 volts. And what is the voltage across the capacitor is equal to 100 volts. No, the circuit is not in resonance. The circuit is not in resonance. Okay, how much is V net they have given? Net voltage is equal to what they are asking. You have to calculate the current measured by ammeter. Now we have the formula we have seen in the previous video. Vn is equal to square root of what? Vr square plus of which is greater? Vc is greater than Vl here. Okay, therefore Vc minus Vl the whole square. Right. How much is Vn? Vn is 50 is equal to square root of how much is Vr? We do not know. Vr the whole square plus of how much is Vc? Vc is 100 minus of Vl is 60 the whole square. That is equal to 50 is equal to Vr the whole square. Squaring on both the sides. 50 square is equal to Vr square plus of 40 the whole square. Therefore, Vr square will be equal to how much? 50 the whole square minus 40 the whole square. How to calculate this Vr is equal to square root of, I have told you in the previous videos, 5 into 10 the whole square minus of 4 into 10 the whole square. Okay, that is equal to 10 square I can take outside. 5 square minus of 4 square. Right, that is equal to 10 square. If I take out, it will be 10 square root of 25 minus 16 will be how much? 9. So we are equal to 10 into 3 is 30 volts. Right, 30 volts. Now what you have to calculate? That is current. Vr is equal to I into R. From here you can calculate I is equal to what? Vr by R. Vr is equal to how much? 30 divided by how much is the value of the resistance here? 10. That is equal to 3 ohm. I is equal to 3 amperes is the right answer. Okay, 10 ohm. Okay, this is 30 volts by 10 ohm is 3 amperes. The value of current is 3 amperes. Hope you understood this. Very easy sum. Provided you should check whether the circuit is in resonance or not. Okay, if it is in resonance, Vn will be equal to Vr. Since this is not in a resonance, you have to use this normal formula. Next, let us see this sum. In the following AC circuit, the EMF of source is E0 is given. Okay, 200, R is 20, L is 0.1 Henry, C is equal to so much, and frequency is variable. Then the current at frequency F is equal to 0 and F is equal to infinity. In general, we write I is equal to what? V by Z. Okay, this is not at resonance they are given. Okay, just you are varying the frequency. What is Z is equal to square root of what? R square plus of XL. Let us say XL is greater than XC. XL minus XC the whole square. What is XL? XL is equal to omega L or 2 pi FL, one and the same. Okay, 2 pi FL. What is XC? 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C. That is equal to what? 1 divided by 2 pi FC. Now here, what happens when F is equal to, okay, let us say when F is equal to 0. When F is equal to 0, what happens? XL will be, when F is equal to 0, XL will be 0. What happens to XC? 1 by 0 is how much? Infinity. This is what? Open circuit. This is what? Open circuit. Okay. Now here R is the circuit. At F is equal to 0, RLC circuit act as what? At F is equal to 0, RLC circuit acts as what? Acts as open circuit. Okay, open circuit. Now similarly, therefore, what will be I? I will be equal to 0. Now, because if you substitute x is equal to infinity, what is the value of z? Here, okay, z will be how much? Z will be equal to infinity. Therefore, I is equal to v by infinity is how much? V by infinity is 0. Okay. Now let us say at f is equal to infinity. What happens at infinity? At f is equal to infinity, what happens to xl will be infinity. Xc will be equal to, just substitute f here. Xc will be how much? Xc will be 0. Again what happens? Again in this, z will be equal to infinity. Therefore I will be equal to what? 0. Again what? RLC circuit. RLC circuit act as what? RLC circuit acts as what? Open circuit. Open circuit. In both the cases, I will be equal to 0. Okay, because RLC circuit. Here, in this case, when F is equal to 0, which acts as open circuit? Capacitor acts as open circuit. Capacitor. Here, in case of when F is equal to infinity, inductor acts as what? Open circuit. Inductor acts as what? Open circuit. Understood? This is open circuit. 0 means short circuit, infinity means open circuit. Hope you understood. 0, 0 is the right answer. Let us see the next problem. What it is saying? It is saying this for the series LCR circuit. What exactly? For the series LCR circuit shown in the figure, what is the resonant frequency? Yes. What is the formula of resonant frequency? Omega naught is equal to 1 by root of LC. They have given what? L and C. That is equal to 1 divided by root of, without wasting the time. Okay, this is L, we know, this is C, and this is R. Okay, this is R. Now, L is how much? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, into what? Into C is what? 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, okay, do not get scared by seeing this one. This is very easy calculation. Okay, omega naught is equal to 1 divided by square root of 8 into 2. I will take. Okay, 8 into 2 is what? 16 into 10 to the power of 1 is there. Okay, minus 6, minus 3, minus 9, minus 9, 10 to the power of what? It will be 10 to the power of minus, see, 8 into 2 is 16. Okay, 10 to the power of 1 will be remaining. Minus 6 minus 9 is what? Minus 6 minus 9, minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Hope you understood. Okay, why? Because I noted what is square root of 16? 4 into this is 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, remember, always remember, we know this is very clear. Root of 16 is equal to 4. What is square root of 10 to the power of minus 8? That is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. How I got this one? Because I know that 10 to the power of minus 8 to the power of half, to the power of half, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. I got it. Hope you have understood this one. Okay, that is equal to, by 4 is how much? 2500 radian per second. Omega naught. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, here also same. 3 answers are same. Omega naught. Now you have to calculate one more parameter. What is that? Current you have to calculate. Frequency and the amplitude they are asking. Okay, amplitude of the current at resonant frequency. How to calculate amplitude of the current at resonant frequency? We know that XL is equal to XC. Okay, at XL is equal to XC. What is Z will be equal to what? R. Z is equal to how much? 44 ohm. Okay, 44 ohm. what is the value of IRMS? We know that what is IRMS? IRMS is equal to VRMS by R. Okay, VRMS by R. How much is VRMS they have given? VRMS they have given 220 volts. Okay, divided by R is how much? 44. Okay, we can 4 11s of 44. Okay, this is 2 11s are 22, 0. That is equal to 5 amperes. That is equal to 5 amperes. I got IRMS. Okay, IRMS how much I got? 5 amperes. Right. Okay, but what you have to calculate? Amplitude. Okay, what is I naught is equal to? We know that I naught is equal to what? IRMS is equal to what? IRMS is equal to I naught by root 2. Therefore, I naught will be equal to root 2 into IRMS. Right. That is equal to root 2 into IRMS is how much? 5. Root 2, 5. Root 2 into 5. That is 5 root 2 amperes. 5 root 2 amperes. Hope you understood this one. Okay, you have to calculate I naught like this. Clear? Okay. Omega naught, how much is the resonating frequency? Resonating frequency is 2500 and the amplitude of the current. Okay, amplitude I naught they are asking, not IRMS. Remember, I naught they are asking 5 root 2. This is right. Don't tick this one. Okay, tick. You are supposed to tick this one. 5 root 2 amperes. Now let us see the next sum. What they are asking here, in a series resonant RLC circuit, if L is increased, okay, we know that omega naught is equal to 1 by root of LC. Okay, now if L is increased by 25%, okay, let us say L dash is equal to what? L is increased by 25%. L plus of 25 by 100 into L, that is L plus of L by 4, that is equal to 5L by 4. 5L by 4. Okay. Now again C is decreased. Increase means plus you have to write. C is decreased by 20%. C minus of 20 by 100. C, that is equal to C minus of 0, 0. Okay. C by 5, that is equal to 4C by 5. Let us calculate omega naught dash, that is equal to 1 by square root of L dash C dash. Let us substitute that one. That is equal to 1 divided by square root of L dash. How much we got? 5L by 4 into C dash. How much we got? 4C by 5. 5 5 gets cancelled. 4 4 gets cancelled. What I am getting? Again root of LC itself. That is same as what? Omega naught. There is no change. Okay, omega naught dash is equal to omega naught. Remains unchanged. Hope you understood this sum. Okay, let us do the next sum. Because the following combination should be selected for better tuning. Okay, better tuning. What is the formula for quality factor? Q is equal to 1 by R root of L by C. Okay, this formula you have to remember for quality factor. R should be what? R should be, Q should be, okay, more. For Q should be more, R should be what? Less. And even C should be what? Also less. And what should be L? L should be more. In these four combination, you check, okay, where R is less here, okay. C is how much? C is 30 microfarad, okay. R should be less. And L is how much? 3.5. Hope you have understood this. Now let us see how we got this formula. From where did we got this formula? Q is equal to, what is the formula? Q is equal to 1 by R square root of, from where did we got this formula? We know that what is Q is equal to, quality factor is equal to omega naught L by R. Right, omega naught L by R. From here you can write, okay, what is, how much is omega naught? 1 by root of LC into L by R. Right, okay. Now again if you simplify, you are going to get 1 by r. Okay, I can write L as what? Root of L divided by root of L root of C by r. Right, if you simplify this, it will be 1 by r root of L by C. You are going to get. From here, you can remember this formula. Q is equal to omega naught. Q is equal to omega naught L by r. We know that omega naught is equal to 1 by root of LC. From here, we can write 1 by r. Hope you understood this. Let us go to the next problem. What is this? In this problem, what exactly they are asking? Can anyone tell me what they are asking exactly in this problem? Okay, a series LCR circuit containing L is given. Okay, this is L, this is C, and this is R. Okay, is connected to 30 volts. Okay, no need to write the circuit diagram. The angular frequency of the source at which power transfer to the circuit is half the power present like this. Okay, now they have been given what? They have been given what? R, L, C. They are given, and now they are asking us to calculate the values of omega 1 and omega 2. Okay, here L is given, C is given, R is given, and even net voltage is given. This is the net voltage is given. What they are asking us to calculate, omega 1 is how much, omega 2 is how much. Okay, that's supposed to calculate. We know that bandwidth formula. Bandwidth. What is bandwidth? Nothing but difference of these two frequencies, omega 2 minus omega 1. What is the formula? R by L. Okay, R by L. Now that is omega 2 minus omega 1 is equal to how much is R here they have given? R they have given 40 by L is how much? L is 80. Now R by L is how much? Yeah, sorry, 5. Okay, how much is it? 5. Right, that is equal to, this is C microfarad L. Okay, this is how much? 8 radian per second. 8 radian per second. Okay, the difference of the half power frequencies is called bandwidth. Okay, omega 2 minus omega 1 is equal to R by L. R is given here 40 ohm and L is given how much? 5 Henry. Okay, now you see the difference. You see the difference and you can calculate omega 1 and omega 2. Difference should be how much? 8 radians per second. Is it possible here? No, it is not possible. Is it possible here? Difference 18? No, not possible. Here 25 is coming. No. See here 46. 54 minus 46 is how much? Yes, this is the rate of. Okay. How much is omega 1? Omega 1 is equal to 46 radians per second. And omega 2 is how much? 54 radians per second. Hope you understood this. Okay. This is very easy. Provided you should know the formula for what? Bandwidth. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but what? The difference of half power frequencies, omega 1 and omega 2. Okay, is called bandwidth. Okay, that is equal to R by L here. Okay, in a very smart way, we are calculating omega 1 and omega 2. Students, if you like this video, kindly like it, share this video with your friends, ask doubts in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe for my channel to see interesting topics and interesting problems of your choice so that you can score very good marks in KCET and NEET Physics examinations. I wish you all the best. Keep studying, get motivated. May God bless you all. Thank you, one and all.